learn English language by reading English books. But you are in doubt, and the question comes in your mind what kind of books you should read and how to start reading those books and how much time you need to give reading those books. According to language acquisition theory, reading is considered an effective way to acquire a new language because it exposes learners to authentic language use, sentence structures, and vocabulary in context. It is the fact that for improving your English language skills, reading English books has immense importance. I would like to share my experience for the beginners who are eager to learn this language but they are not sure about how to start reading English books. The first point is know your level. Being a language learner, the primemost idea is that you should know your level of your language skills. If you are a beginner learner, you should find out those books which are very easy to understand. To improve your language acquisition, you should search out the easy vocabularies and context that you can easily adapt. In Bangladesh, we have the books named English for Today. And this book would be the best choice for the beginners who want to learn the English language easily. So I will recommend class 1 to class 7. You just read it out and practice those sentences in your daily activities. Second point is don't search every verse during the first time of your reading. Yes, you must not do this. I have observed in my life that it was my bad habit that when I start reading for the first time any textbook or any book, I used to search out every unknown verse and that I didn't know. That was really frustrating. It is not the process of reading out any book. Obviously, it's the wrong process to read any book for the first time. You should skim the text for the first time. What is the meaning of skim? Skim means you should look only the main ideas, nothing else. If you follow this, you will just think about that. You will not lose your temper and you will not lose your interest in reading any book. Difficulties come, you just try to guess the meaning after finishing the whole text. Because you know some words, right? And then you have some vocabularies in your mind. So you can find out the easy text. You can find out any easy text, not so difficult, because you have the pre-knowledge of the words. Number 3 is read aloud. When you read any English text, you try to read aloud. Reading aloud any textbooks removes your shyness and enhances your understanding skills. Moreover, reading aloud is a tool to engage you in a learning context effortlessly. Number 4 tips, just record your voice, what you read. This is a great process of learning anything. After recording, you can listen to your voice. After recording, you should listen to your voice. Listening to your voice, you can enhance your reading capability and make the task enjoyable. If you were determined to develop your language skills through reading books, consistency and punctuality are the key words for yours. As you know the impressive quote of William Shakespeare, he said, "Better 3 hours too soon than a minute too late. Better 3 hours too soon than a minute too late. So if you are spending busy time in your life, don't worry. Just try to read at least one page of the book every day during your journey of your work. You should eradicate your sluggish attitude, that means lazy attitude, to start reading books as early as possible. Steven Pinker, a cognitive psychologist, says that reading is the mind's way of exercising, making it stronger the more it is used. I am repeating the line. Reading is the mind's way of exercising, making it stronger the more it is used. So, if you read every day, so you will be a successful learner. So, just as physical exercise strains the body and mental exercise strains the mind. Dear learners, besides, I believe that if you are passionate about reading and if you are enthusiastic about reading, and I know you have this quality, so you can establish yourself as a successful English language learner. Thank you very much everyone. If you like today's lesson, you please like, share and comment on my video, and if you would love to learn with me, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching.